बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आई एम मलिक मोहम्मद अली। प्रोग्राम बात से बात मलिक मोहम्मद अली के साथ। हु इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका? कैमला हैरिस एंड डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। Please subscribe my channel, like and share. American president election held 5th November 2024. Democratic candidates Kamala Harris and Republican candidate ex-president of America Donald Trump. Both candidates tough competition, close fight. American people elected president 5th November. The lot of people, Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, but who is the winning candidate? America. All over the world to judge American election, overall the world to see American election. Both candidates are the people of America. American election, the history of America. 18 president elected Republican Party, but 16 president candidate Democrated. Salam overseas, Salam Pakistan.